Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video, we have to resolve that particular error, that is module not found error, no module name, Flair. So what it means by Flair? A Flair is a powerful NLP library developed by Zalando based on deep learning and uses the contextual string embedding for state-of-the-art NLP performance. So what are the uses of Flair library? First will be the named entity recognition, NER. Second will be the text classification. Third will be the sequence labeling tasks. Fourth will be the custom NLP model training. And fifth will be the multi-language NLP tasks. So those are the uses of Flare library. And let's check out the installation process. First, you have to open the code. Like I have just imported that Flare library and just print that Flare installed successfully. Try to run that code. You have to open terminal and then write Python space main.py, then enter. So see, model not found error, no model name, Flare. First, you have to check that Python is installed in that system or not. For that, you have to just press Windows key and then right control panel. Then click on uninstall a program. See, Python 3.10 is already there, so you don't have to install Python. Now, you can check by one more way. You have to just write Python hyphen version, then enter. And now Python 3.10 is already there, and just install the library. Pip install player, then enter. So to installing the library and related packages will take 2 to 3 minutes. So let them download. And if you are a commerce science student and want to develop any Python projects, then we have prepared a complete project list. And you are also working on any of the project and got any error, then you can share the screenshot of error in my WhatsApp number. I will share the WhatsApp number in the video description. And let's open the project list like which I have prepared. This will be the complete project list. We are developing projects on demand like Python, Java, Android, machine learning, in all those technologies, and also develop the hardware projects in Arduino and Raspberry Pi. Let's scroll down. This is a WhatsApp number. If you want that particular list, then you can directly contact us on WhatsApp to this number. Let's scroll down. Those are the machine learning projects. Those are the deep learning projects, AI projects, data analytics, data science, image processing, NLP, OpenCV, web development, management system, Java, Android app, cybersecurity, IoT, and many more. So if you want the particular list, then you can directly contact us on WhatsApp. Let me open the terminal. Now download it successfully, and you can also check the version. Pip show player, then enter. You can check the version as well in the summary. So the library name Flair and the version will be the 0.15.1 and the summary a very simple framework for state of the art NLP. This will be the complete installation process and let's end this video here. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you any then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.